Welcome to today's webinar on everything you need to know about cloud computing. My name is Haley Reynolds. I'm the marketing specialist, and I'm here with presenter Manny Condado, the IT analyst.
KRS IT Consulting Overview. We are an IT consulting firm gaining positive reputation in services and support for the past 6 years. KRS IT Consulting is here to make your life easier in managing your computer systems, allowing you to spend more time growing your business and to avoid dealing with problems in your system. We are today's technology for tomorrow's challenges and offer highly personalized service from experts in the field unmatched by anyone else. Here at KRS IT Consulting, we provide the following services: cloud computing, disaster recovery, help desk and online services, managed IT services, network audit, network security, remote backup services, remote monitoring management, security camera systems, system migrations, and telephony and website development. We have knowledge in the following industries: architects, automobiles, construction, CPAs, financial advisors, law firms, local government, medical, and police departments. Now, today's objectives are: introduction, what is cloud computing? Things to know about the cloud, benefits of cloud computing, how to get started, what to watch out for, and we'll wrap up with why is cloud computing right for you. What is cloud computing? Cloud computing is the practice of using a network of remote servers hosted onto the internet to store, manage, and process data, rather than a local server or personal computer. Cloud computing platforms are rapidly growing in popularity because of the advantages they hold compared to other means to store data. What you should know about the cloud. Without even realizing it, chances are you've already used the cloud in some sector of your life. Do you pay your bills online? Do you use online banking? Do you use personal email in someone else's domain, such as Gmail, Hotmail, or Yahoo? These are all common cloud-based activities used every day. What you should know about the cloud. There are two types of clouds. Two of the more popular versions of cloud offerings are software as a service and infrastructure as a service. With software as a service, the cloud service provider hosts your enterprise applications, associated data on its servers and storage systems. With infrastructure as a service, the provider offers virtual machines, physical servers, storage and switching, and connectivity resources to run your enterprise applications on a pay-as-you-go basis. Cloud computing services offer greater flexibility in delivering IT services. Today's cloud computing services are offered by the month or based on the consumption of resources. This is a perfect match for some industries such as retail, financial services, which are subject to boom times and quiet times in their normal business cycles. Maybe you have a new application and are unsure of the speed of growth. A cloud computing service lets you expand and contract an IT resources in sync with those cycles. What you should know about the cloud. Cloud computing gives you the ability to refresh an aging infrastructure without recurring costs. This is critical especially for companies that are trying to accommodate new technologies. For instance, many technologies today are virtualizing their mission-critical applications. To do so, they need the virtual machines associated with those applications to run powerful and resilient servers. Cloud computing gives companies a way to do this without having to buy new servers. Cloud computing is an economical way to support more users and new IT services. Many data centers are running out of space. This is forcing some companies to build new data centers or pay a fortune to expand their existing centers. Here again, cloud computing allows companies to move their applications to a provider's infrastructure and save the cost of a data center expansion. Cloud frees up staff of other projects. A good portion of an IT staff time is dedicated to managing, maintaining, and troubleshooting equipment. Cloud computing providers often offer infrastructure as well as management services, allowing companies to offload. Benefits of cloud computing. Flexibility. 65% of respondents to an Information Week survey said that the ability to quickly meet up business demands was an important reason to move to cloud computing. Disaster recovery. There is no longer a need for complex disaster recovery plans. Cloud computing providers taking care of the most issues and do it faster. Automatic software updates. Suppliers do the server maintenance, including security updates themselves, freeing up the customer's time and resources for other tasks. CapEx-free. Services are typically pay as you go, so there's no need for capital expenditure at all. Businesses have minimal project startup costs and predictable ongoing operating expenses. Increased collaboration allows all employees, wherever they are, to sync up and work on documents and share apps simultaneously. Another part of benefits of cloud computing are increased collaboration. Allows employees wherever they are to sync up and work on documents and shared apps simultaneously, and follow up colleagues and records to receive critical updates in real time. Work from anywhere positively affects knowledge workers' work and life balance and productivity. Security. When everything is stored in the cloud, data is still accessed no matter what happens to a machine, whether it's lost, stolen, or broken. Competitiveness allows small business to act faster than big established competitor. Document control keeps all the files in one central location and everyone works off that one central copy. Environmental friendly. Businesses using cloud computing only use the server space they need, which decreases the carbon footprint. How to get started. You don't need to be an expert or have the backing of an IT department to set yourself and learn the basic functions of cloud-based services. For general purpose, we focus on those that offer free trials or services that are relatively inexpensive to get you started. How to get started. Office 365 makes it easy to create and collaborate with others quickly and more effectively. You're able to edit, share documents, spreadsheets, and drawings in a matter of seconds. Office 365 features includes the latest versions of Access, Excel, SimplePath, Link, OneNote, Outlook, PowerPoint, Publisher, OneDrive, and SharePoint. Benefits of Office 365. Microsoft programs such as Word, PowerPoint, Excel, and Outlook can be installed onto 5 Windows machines or Apple workstations. Collaboration across company with Microsoft SharePoint posts documents for easy retrieval. Another alternative to Office 365 is the use of BoxNet. Box helps transform how your company works, more than a simple synchronizing and share. Box helps every employee collaborate easily and securely across teams, with customers, with partners, on any device, in any app, anywhere. Another product is Windows Live Mesh. Can make it easier to remotely control your Windows and even Mac desktops. You can synchronize files between computers and keep your bookmarks, favorites at the same control of your PC from a browser in a remote location. What to watch out for. Just because of the buzz over the reaping benefits of cloud doesn't mean you should proceed without caution, without making the switch to cloud computing. Like with any IT system, there are several slight disadvantages that may affect your comfort level and the way in which you conduct your business. The unreliable internet connection. If you're not dependent on the connection of your internet, the cloud may not be for you. When it's offline, you're offline. If your internet service provider suffers from frequent outages, slow speeds, cloud computing may not be the best be suitable for your business. Security issues. Cloud computing can mean internet computing, so you should not be using the cloud applications that involve using or storing data that you are not comfortable having on the internet. If your cloud data is accessible from anywhere on the internet, meaning that if a data breach occurs via hacking, disgruntled employee, or careless username password security, your business can be compromised. Cost. At first glance, cloud computing application may appear to be a lot cheaper than a particular software solution installed and run in-house, but you need to be sure that you're comparing apples and apples. Does the cloud application have all the features that the software does, and if not, are the missing features important to you? Unaccommodating for software practices. Be careful when you're choosing a cloud computing vendor that you're not locking your business into the proprietary applications or formats. You can't insert a document created in another application into Google Docs spreadsheet, for instance. Also, make sure that you can add and subtract cloud computing users as necessary as your business grows or contracts. Lack of support. And these issues need to be resolved before cloud computing becomes ubiquitous. Anita Campbell writes, customer service for web apps leave a lot to be desired. All too many cloud computing-based apps make it difficult to get customer service promptly or at all. Sending an email and hoping for a response within 48 hours is not an acceptable way for most of us to run a business. Changing the face of IT everywhere. Cloud computing is causing a major shift in IT industry. New technologies have been developed, and now there are various ways for virtualized IT systems and to access the needed applications on the internet through the web-based app. Traditional IT jobs are changing and specialties are increasingly demanded. IT infrastructure will be crucially changed. The need for an IT support staff will be reduced. Efforts to maintain data will diminish. There is larger stress on security and more customizable software. Thank you for your time. And here are some following resources that you should check out for further information.